I know that you follow the BRICS pretty closely, and there's interesting things going on with the BRICS and tariffs. We heard about the 100% tariffs on BRICS mentioned quite a while ago. More recently, 10% tariffs talked about for BRICS allies. So I wonder, when you look at that, what does that tell you about how the US and Trump are seeing the BRICS right now?
Well, how he sees it and how the rest of the world is seeing it, I think, is two different stories, Charlotte. As you know, you're correct. The main thing that got me into gold in 2021, I made a decision that probably one in 50,000 people didn't do. I sold stocks and bonds just to own physical gold, mainly because I believed the price was going to be driven up because all these central banks were going to buy gold because eventually they have recognized that trading, at least minimally among themselves, or eventually a new world reserve currency will have to come into play, and it will not be able to be a full fiat currency. It's going to have some sort of physical hardness to it. And gold was the best thing that they could see that it was. And that was the theory of owning gold, and it's played out. The BRICS story has only gotten better. I like to say that who's ever the head of new membership director for BRICS has to have a big smile on their face because people have realized that Trump has taken a big stick into this trade war when he should have took an olive branch. And if you look at what he was saying weeks before and then days after he implemented his program, all of it was basically saying they're going to be at my feet in a matter of days begging for deals. Well, here we are, the middle of July, and there's no real deal of any consequences that's been done. Countries are now openly, including Canada, speaking opposition to it, that we're not folding or, it has to be fair for us and all. Will he get something different than existed before? Yes. Will it be anything close to what he sold it on and what the stock market currently thinks is going to happen? No. And therefore, I don't think tariffs, while we're talking about them now, we'll be talking about them in the same manner 6 to 12 months from now, because I think what will be recognized by then is Trump's done more to hurt the long term prospects for the United States than help. That's a minority opinion right now, but I'm kind of used to being the minority opinion in 40 something years.